All right, what do you call it when someone pays back a loan quickly?
Send it up.
Let's look at number 2. So, we're doing systems of equations, and we're doing it by what's called the addition method. So here's the problem for number 2. Okay, and what do you think you do with the addition method?
Add.
That's excellent. That's exactly what you do. So, what we're going to do is get rid of either x or y. In this situation, what do you think we're going to get rid of?
X.
X. So, we have 1y plus 5y is?
6y.
6y equals?
Negative 6.
-6. Isolate the variable, which is y, by dividing both sides of the equal sign by 6. Y equals -1. So we have half our answer, don't we?
No.
Now we're going to substitute -1 into either original equation. So 2x plus -1 equals 3. What do we do to get 2x by itself?
Add on both sides.
Add 1, positive 1 to both sides of the equal sign. 2x equals 4. What's x equal?
2.
X equals 2. Our answer is 2, -1. That's our xy coordinate. That's where the two lines intersect. So looking at 2, -1, starting at the origin, x is 2. Move 2 to the right on the x-axis and 1 down on the y-axis. So there's your 2, and the letter is E. So here in box 2, you're going to write the letter E. Really? Because it says find the solution in the coordinate system and notice the letter at that point. Print this letter in each box at the bottom of the page. Okay? Let's look at number 9. If we look at number 9, let's write that problem. X plus 2y equals 15. 5x equals 2y plus 3. Now the trickiest part about these is to make sure the equation is set up the same way. So if we have x plus 2y equals 15, we want 5x plus or minus 2y equals 3. So let's add a -2y to both sides of this equation. You see why? So we're going to get 5x minus 2y equals 3. That's just this equation. See what I did and why I did it? So what I'm going to have now is x plus 2y equals 15. 5x minus 2y equals 3. You always want your equal signs lined up. And you want to have x's with x's, y's with y's, integers or rational numbers with rational numbers. So what are we going to solve for this time? X's or y's? X's, because the y's are taking care of themselves. How many x's do we have?
6.
6. Oh, we got 6 again. Equals 18. Divide both sides by 6. X equals 3. So we know x is 3. And we're going to solve for y. Go back to one of the original equations, not the one you changed. But let's do this one instead because it's easier. 3 plus 2y equals 15. How come you can go back to either original equation? They're both going to be the same because we're finding a point of intersection. So they both have the same point, don't they? So what are we going to do now? Subtract 3 from both sides or add a -3. It's the same process. 2y equals 12. So y equals, oops, 2, y equals 6. So we have 3, 6. So go over positive 3, positive 6, and your letter is y. So in box 9, we're writing the letter y. Everybody good?
Yeah.
Okay.